Oh, hello, we're out here in the world. Christian, how you doing?
I'm not going with him.
I'm walking with you. Can I walk?
I don't know where you're planning on going.
Shit, I'm walking. Wherever you want, I'm walking. You guys are out of high school?
Are you out of high school?
Shit, no.
Well, that's actually good.
You guys look like you do. Oh,
We've been out of high school for a few years now. How old are you guys?
I'm... Huh?
Oh,
18.
oh.
Hey, anybody know where we get some liquor from? I do. Bro, I want to run a marathon right now, man. This is Gabby. Gabby, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Look at my aunt's outside with her dog, and I'm drunk and I'm talking, and she can't hear me. What? So, goodbye, world. Adios.